Hello, and welcome to Rise ASMR. Good. Today is a special video. I want you to focus on this pocket watch for me. Watch or be confused. And you know it's okay to be confused, but that's not what this video is about. I want you to focus on the pocket watch. Good. And I'm about to tell you something. And I want you to focus entirely of what I'm saying and do not forget. Good. I'm going to be doing a June exclusive, YouTube exclusive month where I post basically every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then everyone else will get 4 free videos in the month of June, but everyone else who's part of the YouTube exclusive club will get a hypnosis video. Oh, exciting, isn't it? That also means that if you're watching this months in advance because you're a YouTube exclusive already, you might get a little bit less videos before, but you will get a lot in June, so be ready. Get ready for that. But for now, just focus on the pocket watch. Focus on it. Remember it. Remember it happening. Remember that I'm having a YouTube exclusive month in June of 2025. And it's so easy to join. It's only $2 a month. So if you want to join, you can be part of it if you want to be. Also, if you have a Discord, you can connect your YouTube account to Discord and you can automatically get a wonderful role that says you are a YouTube member on my Discord server. That being said, remember, don't forget to watch this watch. And don't be confused, because it's okay to be confused.